Hey folks, Alex here. Just wanted to make a quick video today on 3 techniques you can use to recover an unsaved or deleted Microsoft Word document. Here I have a test document that I'm going to simulate a crash on. So let's say your power goes out or you accidentally, forget to save it. I haven't saved this document and I'm crashing it right now. So after it crashes and you want to try to recover it, go to Word, reopen Microsoft Word, and here we want to go to Open on the left-hand side here. And on the bottom, navigate to Recover Unsaved Documents. This will open up a folder where Microsoft puts in Word files that it tries to automatically save every 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes with these .asd extensions. So go ahead and open the .asd extension if you see it in there, and then boom, you've got your document back. Also, just a note, if you are on Mac OS, you can try to look in this folder to see if there's any temporary files or auto-recovered files. If that method didn't work, we can also look in the temporary folder. So to get there, press on your Windows key plus R, and it'll open up this run icon, and type in this temp command. Click OK. That'll open up your temporary folder automatically. It should look like this, app data local temp, and then look if there's any files that could approximately fit what your doc looks like in the recently, date modified sort by this. So in my case, I see this document, which looks, suspicious. It's only 13 kilobytes. It was right when I was working with the file. And I'm also making a video, so I know that this is the right one. Just a quick aside, if you can't see the file extensions, make sure that you click on View, Show, and File Name Extensions here. But try to play around with it, and all you have to do is you have to change the file extension to docx. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this one to docx. It'll give you a warning, just click yes. And then if I open this, we'll see that this is actually a Microsoft Word document that it's saved to the temporary file. So that's another technique you can use. So the third option is if you actually saved the file, but you accidentally deleted it or overwrote it. So the first place you're gonna wanna check is the recycle bin in case you accidentally deleted the file. Obviously that's the best way to find it. You can just right click and restore it and that'll send it back to the original location. In my case, it is this folder. But let's say you accidentally overwrote the content in it. Well, the way that you can fix that is if you have this in OneDrive, you can restore previous versions by right-clicking it on there. You can also go into the document itself and go ahead and click up here and you'll see version history. In this example, I don't have any version history, but this is a way you can go back to a previous version if you change the content by accident. And then the final way, which sometimes will work, sometimes won't work as well, you go up one level on the folder, you right click it, you go to properties, and you look at previous versions of the folder itself. And that's a way that you can restore older versions of the folder. So there's a couple different techniques for recovering your old Word files. And then just one little bonus tip to make sure that you prevent this from happening in the future. Go to File and then Options, and then under Save here, make sure that the Save Auto Recovery information is set. And you could crank this down to 1 minute if you want, 5 minutes, whatever makes sense to you. But then you can see where is it actually auto recovering these files and where would it actually be saving them. So this can save you a lot of time if you ever accidentally do this. Highly recommend, and hope this video helped.